So how you find this is you go into Campaign Manager inside your Seller Central. You come down here to Measurement and Reporting, and then you click this Amazon Attribution button, and it will bring you to this page right here. I'm going to click Create Campaign. This is going to be for one of my blog posts, so I'm going to name it Blog 01 Top 5 Eyelid Cleansers. So I'm going to put that into here, put that into there. And then I have to be a little more specific with this. Now you may not have this nuance, but we do because we have multiple brands, but only one brand can be in an attribution campaign. So for this first one, I'm going to do Hydrate. And then I'm going to look for my Hydrate Eyelid Cleanser. I think it's under the name Hydrate. So we're going to put Hydrate right here. And you can see it's right here with our tea tree face wash. That's going to come later. And then our mask, our other spray, our omega-3. You can just see all our products are in here now for the Hydrate brand. So the key thing with this is add all on this page. Like I've said before, it doesn't matter what they're buying, you want to get that bonus for it. So you'll get a 10% referral bonus for any product that they buy of yours when they click on that link. So the first one we're going to do is go get that Canonical URL. And we're going to come down here, we're going to do the Hydrate Lid and Lash Cleanser. 1 ounce. So that's just the variation that we're going after. It's going to be Google, because we're going to send Google to a blog, and then we're going to put that Canonical in here. Now, we also in this article have our face wash right down here. So I want to get that in here too. So what I'm going to do is go back to Campaign Manager. I'm going to pull up here to the face wash. And when you click on this inside of Campaign Manager, inside of this attribution area, it will pull up your Canonical right here. So that's the Canonical. So we're going to come back over here, add new ad group. We're going to do Hydrate Tea Tree Face Wash. Again, Google. So yeah, we'll leave it right there. So we have those two. We're going to hit Create, and it's going to create our Amazon attribution links. So here's our Hydrate Lid and Lash Cleanser 1 ounce right here. Amazon PPC may seem like a complex subject, but it doesn't have to be. Hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell to be notified whenever we come out with great brand building videos and videos on Amazon PPC.